Good morning to class. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your homes. Today is Tuesday, 13th April 2021. It's your maths period and today our topic is multiplication. So open page number 67 of countdown. Students, open your countdown books. Students, open page number 67 of countdown. First of all, write here classwork and short it, that is 13th April 2021. Topic is multiplication by 0. Tiger has no money, she has 0 money. Crocodile has no money, he has 0 money. Adil too has no money, he has 0 money. 0 plus 0 plus 0, it means 3 times 0 is 0. When we multiply any number with 0, it becomes 0. When we multiply any number with 0, it becomes 0. Now look at this. Question number 1. Complete these. 0 multiplied by 4 is 0. When we multiply 0 with 4, it is 0. Next is 6 multiplied by 0. Again, when we multiply any number with 0, answer is 0. Next C part is 0 multiplied by 1, it's 1. No, it is 0. When we multiply 1 with 0, it is 0. When we multiply 5 with 0, answer is 5. Yes, students. No, it is 0. It's not 5, it is 0. When we multiply any number with 0, answer is 0. 10 multiplied by 0 is 0. Now complete this. 5 multiplied by dash is equal to 0. Any number multiplied by 0 is 0. Now 7 multiplied by dash is equal to 0. Answer is 0. So it means 7 is multiplied by 0. 2 multiplied by dash is equal to 0. Again, when we multiply 2 with 0, answer is 0. 10 multiplied by dash is equal to 0. Again, when we multiply 10 with 0, answer is 0. Next is 0 multiplied by 20 is equal to 0. Next, 15 multiplied by dash is equal to 0. It's 0. 15 multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. So students, I hope you will understand it. Any number multiplied by 0 is always 0 and 0 multiplied by any number is always 0. Students, now open page number 69. Here we have topic word problems. It solve these word problems. There are 6 flower pots. Each flower pot has 4 flowers. How many flowers are there altogether? Look at this. 6 multiplied by 4 is 24. 6 4s are 24 and 4 6 are 24. Next we have B part. Aslam has 8 bowls with 7 goldfish in each bowl. How many fish are there altogether? Aslam has 8 bowls and each bowl has 7 goldfish. How many fish are there in altogether? It's 8 sevens are 56 and 7 eights are 56. So you write here 5 in the tens box and 6 in the ones box. It's 56. It means there are 56 fishes in 8 bowls. Now it's C part. 7 jackets are hanging in a shop. Each jacket has 6 buttons. How many buttons are in all? First of all, you will write here tens and ones. How many jackets? 7 jackets in a shop and each jacket has 6 buttons. How many buttons in each jacket? It's 6 buttons. How many buttons in all? It means how many total buttons in 7 jackets. So 7 6 are 42. 7 6 are 42. It means there are 42 buttons in 7 jackets. Now we have D part. There are 8 buns in a packet. Rehan buys 4 packets. How many buns does he buy? First of all, write here tens and ones. There are 8 buns in a packet. So first of all, write here 8 in the ones box. And Rehan buys 4 packets. And how many buns does he buy? 8 fours are 32. It means he buy 32 buns. And there are 32 buns in 4 packets. Next E part is 7 leopards are climbing a tree. How many legs altogether? 7 leopards are climbing a tree. First of all, write here tens and ones. 7 leopards are climbing a tree. How many legs altogether? One leopard have 4 legs, so we multiply it with 4. 7 fours are 28. It means there are 28 legs of 7 leopards. Next last F part is 8, 6, 4, 9. Multiply the greatest number by the smallest number. Look at these numbers. Here we have 8, 6, 4 and 9. First of all, write here tens and ones. Look at the greatest number. Here we have 9. Greatest number is 9 and the smallest number is 4. So we multiply 9 with 4. It is 36. 4 nines are 36 and 9 fours are 36. So students, solve page number 67 and 69 of countdown. This is your classwork. Students, now open your notebooks and maintain your pages. Write date Tuesday 13th April 2021. Write here homework HW topic word problem is page number 69. Exercises, solve these word problems. A part is there are 6 flower pots. Each flower pot has 4 flowers. How many flowers are there altogether? Its 6 fours are 24 and 4 6 are 24. First of all, you will write here statement and after that you will solve it. Then write B part. Aslam has 8 bowls with 7 goldfish in each bowl. How many fish are there altogether? Write tens and ones. It's 8 sevens are 56. 8 sevens are 56. Next we have C part. 7 jackets are hanging in a shop. Each jacket has 6 buttons. How many buttons in all? It's 7 6 are 42. 7 6 are 42. You will solve A, B and C part on your notebooks. This is your homework. Do in a very neat handwriting. And if you have any problem, you can ask me. Okay, take care. Allah Hafiz.